This is Marty with Skulls and Bones. A while back, I went to Comgrow.com and I bought myself a Z1 laser engraver. And I've been having so much fun with it that I went back to Comgrow and picked up some upgrades. Let's open them up, get them installed. Alright, here we got my current setup. It's nothing too fancy, just a burn board with some guidelines there. And then I purchased a laser engraver cover and a smoke purifier. Here's all the pieces laid out. Let's start building it. The frame went together really easy. And then the cover on there. As you can see here with the laser running, the viewing screen is fairly easy to see through so that you can keep an eye on how your work is going, while still protecting you and anyone around from accidentally looking at that laser. Now the air purifier is definitely louder than just the machine running on its own. I do have it at about 50% here, and here's some of the work that I've been doing. Hope you guys like it. Alright, so here we are about a week after I installed the upgrades, and I am really liking them so far. So I am not an expert by any means. If you are an expert and you're watching through this video, feel free to let me know if there's something that you like better, or if there's an upgrade that you think that I should get next. As I said, you're probably going to get the most value out of this if you are just now looking to start laser engraving or just recently bought one. I am a Comgrow affiliate, so I will throw down my affiliate link if you would like to purchase your own, either Z1 laser, the purifier. My 3D printers are actually from Comgrow as well, so they do have all that stuff, and I've had no complaints with any of the things that I've got. I really like the air purifier since I do most of my engraving inside of my home. In the summer I do move it out to my garage. I don't do a ton of laser engraving, but enough that I felt like it was worth getting that air purifier. So I also feel, and I might be wrong, again, I'm not an expert, but I feel like my engraves have been a little bit nicer, a little bit clearer. I feel like with the fan on sucking the smoke out, it's actually working a little bit like an air assist. So that might just be me being really happy with the setup now, or having had more time to dial in my settings, but I feel like it helps. So, and that cover is perfect. It's really easy to get on and off. It hasn't hindered my ability to switch out one project for another at all. So I'm really liking them. Again, the link will be in the description there, and feel free to follow, subscribe, like, all that kind of fun stuff. So thank you.